Yo, check this out. I was stranded last night. I almost had to stay outside in the streets, and you know what I'm saying. And only had $100 on my credit card. So this man, I went to like hella hotels, Hampton, all them, and everything, Hilton, all that. But this one cat, you know what I'm saying, showed me love, man. He showed me some major love. You know what I'm saying? Look, check this out. Major love. Look. This the hotel that you know what I'm saying? He was like, look, I'm gonna put you on a family plan. I'm gonna get you up out that hot ass sun in Phoenix. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you some love. It's a white dude too. Ain't that the trip? Showed me major love. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even think so. I thought I was gonna be stranded outside, fucked up, in the heat, mad, had to sleep all night and shit like that. Cause shit got rough for me, you know what I'm saying? So check it out. This man hooked me up. And what's so amazing about it is my favorite numbers that's on the door. Come check this out. Look at this. Look at that. Check this out. This is, tell me that ain't tight. This is tight, nigga. Big ass screen TV. You know what I'm saying? Nice ass bed. Look at that. Look at this. Show me major. Show me major love. You know what I'm saying? I was stranded, man. I was homeless, goddamn there. And yeah, this is what I wanted to show y'all. That the number on the fucking door is my favorite number. My favorite numbers. Check it out. This the number right here. Check it out. Is that crazy or what? 333, that's my favorite numbers. You know what I'm saying? I said, God is with me. I was like, yo, God must be with me, cause look, this man showed me major love, yo. I was like, damn. And the room is tight as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Got a refrigerator. Look at this nigga got a refrigerator. Stuff. You know what I'm saying? I was doing major, man, I was stressing, you know what I'm saying? I talked to the ancestors, I talked to nature, and I was like, yo. You know what I'm saying? Show some brother some love. So I went to like, you know, I went to like 3, 4. Oh yeah, I still got my little yokes on. I'm still getting it. But yeah, I was like, went to like 3 other hotels. One black dude, he was like, nah, we sold out. Another couple of white girls was like, nah, we're sold out. We're sold out. And it's a Friday night too. You know what I'm saying? July 3rd. So, man, I was like, God damn. I said, man, I'm gonna go. Something told me to go one more time to a hotel, and I went to this hotel, and the shit was, man. It's called the Resident Inn by the Marriott in Phoenix. Showed major love to me, man. Got me the best hotel, way better than all them other high price ass hotels. Showed me major love. So I just want to say, there's some good people out there, and it was a white dude. Ain't that some shit? You know what I'm saying? And he showed me major love. And, you know what I'm saying? I'm just thankful, you know what I'm saying? I'm just hella thankful. I'm sorry. I'm trying to look cute and shit. But I'm serious. He showed me major love. And I love him for that, man. And the number is 333. That's my favorite number, man. My birthday, March the 3rd month. My birthday is the 13th. And I was born in 73. 333. Yo, God damn. God is good. Nature is good. Ancestors is good. You know what I'm saying? I'm good. Look at this nigga. I'm kicking it on couches and shit. And guess what he told me my checkout time is? He was like, man, you can have 3 o'clock. I said, what? He said, you could check out at 3 o'clock. I'm damn near almost passed out. And I've been having a good time, enjoying myself. I'm by myself. I love myself. I love my kids. And you know what I'm saying? I take care of my kids. Even though I ain't probably doing too good. I make sure they good. And you know what I'm saying? Shit, we all have hiccups. We all go through some bad shit. I'll be back on top again, but damn it, God is working his miracles on me, man. Nature, ancestors. I just want to say thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. This shit feels good. 3, 3, 3. Signing out. Peace, love, happiness.